Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Edifier W830BT wireless Bluetooth headset headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones where they're not connecting to Bluetooth or they're not pairing or syncing with your phone or other device, or they keep disconnecting, any kind of bugs like this can very often be fixed with this factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to get these back and set them up new, and you want to delete all the pairing history, all the settings and everything like that, so that you can just, set them up again like you're taking them out of the box. And it's really easy to do. These need to be turned off and they need to be plugged in and charging. And with them turned off and plugged in and charging, we're just going to come and press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 3 seconds, keeping an eye on the little indicator light on the headphones. And once the indicator light on the headphones flashes in blue 3 times quickly, that means the factory settings have been restored. We can go ahead and let go. And from here, we can just set these headphones up like we were just taking them out of the box new and setting them up as a new set of headphones.